shiver. To shake because you are cold, scared, or excited. I shiver when it's very cold. He gave her his jacket because she was shivering. Entertain. To make someone happy or laugh by doing something fun. The clown entertained the kids. That movie really entertained me. Delicate. Soft, light, or easy to break or hurt. Handle the eggs with care. They are delicate. Don't drop the plate. It's delicate. Elegant. Looking beautiful, stylish, and graceful. The bride looked elegant at the wedding. That restaurant is small but elegant. Tidy. To make something clean and neat. The house looks tidy now. They helped tidy the classroom. Cautious. Being careful to avoid danger or mistakes. I was cautious while using the knife. He is always cautious while crossing the road. United. Together as one or joined for the same goal. Our class is united in helping others. We are united as a team. Vandalize. To break or damage something on purpose, usually in a public place. Don't vandalize the park benches. The bus stop was vandalized last night. Abandon. To leave something or someone forever. He abandoned his old house. He abandoned the game in the middle. Encourage. To give someone support, hope, or confidence to do something. My teacher encouraged me to study hard. She encouraged me to try again.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!